Hello, and welcome to my channel, Smart Money Flow, where we break down smart systems to grow online income with automation and digital tools. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to turn any blog post into a full YouTube video using only free AI tools. If you're a blogger, content creator, or side hustler, this strategy will help you reach a wider audience, grow your channel, and even earn more, all without showing your face. Let's dive right into it. So why turn a blog post into a YouTube video in the first place? Well, a single blog post takes time and effort to create. But by turning it into a video, you can multiply its reach, tapping into YouTube's massive traffic, gaining more exposure for your brand, and even earning revenue through ads or affiliate links. And the best part, with AI, you don't need expensive software, a production team, or even your own voice. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Select a blog post. Start with a blog post that already performs well. You can check your Google Analytics or Search Console to see which articles get the most traffic. Or if you're just starting out, choose a blog post that provides clear value, like a tutorial, how-to, or listicle. The more structured and informative, the better. Keep in mind that not all blog posts work well as videos. Focus on content that solves a problem, explains a process, or answers common questions, because that's what people search for on YouTube. Once you've chosen your post, move to Step 2. Step 2. Rewrite the blog into a video script using AI. Go to ChatGPT, use this prompt, rewrite the following blog post into a YouTube narration script. Keep it conversational, structured, and 1,500 words long. Then paste your blog content. Within seconds, you'll have a well-structured script designed for listening instead of reading. AI can turn formal, SEO-heavy blog text into natural speech that sounds like you're talking to a friend, which is exactly what works on YouTube. Want to make it feel more personal? Add an extra instruction like, make the tone friendly and clear, like a helpful guide on YouTube. Now, review the script. Remove any repeated phrases or lines that feel too robotic. Tweak transitions, or add a personal example if you want. This part should take less than 10 minutes. And now you've got your full video narration script with most of the work already done. Step 3. Create the voiceover. If you don't want to use your own voice, no worries. Head over to ElevenLabs, which offers free voice cloning and realistic text-to-speech. Just paste in your script, select a voice that matches your brand tone, and generate your audio. Another option is to use CapCut's AI voice feature. It's integrated directly into the timeline. You can paste small parts of your script into the text-to-speech editor, and it will generate smooth, realistic narration without needing to record anything. Be sure to break your script into sections if you're using CapCut, especially for longer videos. This keeps the flow natural and easier to edit. Step 4. Build your visual storyboard. Now that your voiceover is ready, it's time to visualize the content. You don't need to film anything yourself. We're keeping it faceless and AI-powered. Listen to your voiceover and break it down into visual segments. For example, if your blog was about 10 ways to save money fast, then each tip will be a new visual scene. This step helps organize your visuals before you start editing. Now, use tools like Pexels, Pixabay, or CapCut's built-in stock library to find clips that match each section. Look for clean, simple, and high-quality footage, like people working on laptops, counting money, writing notes, or using phones. If you want more control, try ElevenLabs or Lumen 5.2. Generate AI visuals that follow your script. They're great for storytelling-style videos or explicable formats, and both offer free options. You can also use Leonardo AI or Microsoft Designer to generate custom images or stylized scenes that match your blog's vibe, like graphics, animations, or abstract visuals. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Drag in your voiceover file and align it with the timeline. Now drop your clips and images in line with the narration. Don't worry about fancy transitions. Clean, direct cuts work best for educational or informative videos. Use text overlays for key phrases or list points, especially if your blog was a listicle. CapCut also includes automatic subtitles, which are great for viewer retention. Just click text, then auto captions, and it will transcribe your entire voiceover in seconds. Add music underneath if you want, something low, soft, and non-distracting. CapCut has a library of copyright-free background tracks that you can adjust easily. Keep it simple, clean, and paced to match your narration. One visual every 8 to 12 seconds is a good rule. Step 6. Design a thumbnail with AI. To get clicks, your video needs a solid thumbnail. Use a free AI tool like Canva, Microsoft Designer, or at Creative AI. Upload a relevant image, choose bold fonts, and add a short headline like "Turn blog posts into videos" or "AI turns blogs into YouTube content." Want to go full AI? Just ask ChatGPT for a thumbnail concept. Like, give me a thumbnail idea for a YouTube video titled "How to Turn Blog Posts into Videos with AI." Then use that idea in Canva to design a fast, click-worthy visual. Step 7. Optimize and upload. Before uploading, use AI for SEO. Go back to ChatGPT and say, "Write me an SEO YouTube title, description, and tags for a video based on this script." Then paste in your final script or blog summary. ChatGPT will give you keyword-rich metadata that helps your video get discovered. Be sure to include your blog URL in the description so you get traffic going both ways. Then upload your video to YouTube. Add your thumbnail, paste the optimized description, and include 5 to 10 strong hashtags like #ContentCreation, #AITools, #blog-to-video, #YouTube automation, #SmartMoneyFlow, #faceless YouTube. Set your video to public or schedule it for a time your audience is most active. Step 8. Repurpose again. Now that your video is live, take it a step further. Turn short sections of it into YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. Use CapCut's AutoCut tool or a platform like OfficeClip, which automatically finds highlights in your video and reformats them for short-form platforms, complete with captions and punchlines. You just turned one blog post into a full-length YouTube video, several short-form clips, a branded thumbnail, a voiceover, and a wider audience, all powered by AI, and all for free. Let's go over the full system one more time. 1. Choose a strong blog post that's useful and evergreen. 2. Paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to turn it into a friendly YouTube script. 3. Create a voiceover using ElevenLabs or CapCut's text twos. 4. Plan your visuals using free stock footage or AI visuals. 5. Edit your video in CapCut with text, music, and subtitles. 5. Design a thumbnail using Canva or Microsoft Designer. 6. Optimize your title, description, and tags with ChatGPT. 7. Upload, schedule, and repurpose into Shorts for extra reach. That's how you take one piece of content and multiply it into a YouTube engine that works for you, day and night. It's the ultimate way to get more value out of what you've already created, especially if you're a blogger trying to grow beyond the written word. Thanks for watching my channel, Smart Money Flow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials on passive income, content automation, and free AI tools. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.